Hello guys, I just wanna show you how to do slicer. Slicer are almost like filters, but I wanna just focus specifically on the slicers. And I have this data again, so but this time is kind of more broader than the first data that I have. So let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to select the entire data set that you have because once you select it, then you do the table and make sure you have my table has data, a header is selected, because that's how you're gonna be calling different data by. Okay, and then we have this. Once we have this, you wanna do the slicer, right? So you go to insert tab. Under the insert tab, you see filter. You go to the filter, and then you have slicers. So I just wanna go by two different slicers. Okay, and then I have this, and I'm gonna make it by two. It's up to you how many rows, columns that you want to have the data based on, and then these two. So make sure it's different, right? So this one I'm gonna make I'm going to do it by three columns, and I could choose to just change the color like this, like this. So up to me, right? Okay, now that I have these slicers, still right now you might be telling me that, oh, I haven't seen the impact of doing it, right? So let's go by this. You wanna see, yeah, let me do this first. That's how you change the height and the width of your slicers, right? And I might want to have it like this, and then increase it this way. See, it might be bigger for you, and then this one, same thing. Okay, you got the idea. I just wanted to let you know, like, you could still do this thing. So right now you'll be like, okay, what do you want to do? Look, all of these currently are by 1 meter sea level rise. See, sorry for the data. The data has been set that is looks like it's just only there, right? So, but you got the idea. It's still there. So, if you want, I can increase it so you can read it, right? So, by one, see, watch out. Did you see how he filtered it? He has filtered it each by one sea level rise, and then you have the data that you want to see based on each of the header, right? Okay, now at this point, I know the rest of the sea levels are on the blank, so I just want to use this. See, only twos comes, only threes. How about me just wanting to have like a combination of 2 and 3? Boom. See, now you could have 2, 3, and so on. You could just check it like this, and then you could just go back 5, only 5s. Oh, isn't it cool? Okay, that's how it plays. So you could just decide to go by like, okay, and then you want to see only what's happening in sub-Saharan Africa. So, and then it's just gonna come. This is the use of slicers. So hit thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and leave comments below so that we can get going and improve in what we are doing. Thank you so much.